Good morning students. In today's video we will complete the noun gender, right? In yesterday's video we have learned what is a gender. Gender is a noun that tells us whether it is male or a female, right? Female or female gender. But if we divide gender into its types or kinds, then there will be four kinds of gender, like masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common gender. Yesterday we have learned masculine and feminine gender. What is masculine gender? Noun that stands with boys, men and male animals are called masculine gender, like boy, father, grandfather, tiger. Feminine gender, noun that stands for girls, women and female animals that are called feminine gender, like bride, mother, sister, tigress, lioness, beach, etc. Right? Today we will learn common gender and neuter gender. What is a common gender? Nouns that stands for either male or female. For example, student, cousin, teacher and bird. So what is a common gender? Common gender is a noun that stands for both male and female. Okay, you cannot discriminate it that it is a male or it is a female. When I tell you that I have a cousin, until I say that I have a cousin sister, then you cannot define who is it, what gender does he or she have, right? Cousin does not have any gender. Right, cousin is a common gender. Cousin is a common gender. Student, I have many students. I say I have many students. But when I am saying, can you understand if I have any girl student or a boy student? No, student will both be girls and boys. Okay, so when I am saying I have students, I can have both girls or boy student, or I can have only girl student or only boy student. Okay, so student, cousin, teacher, bird, these have no masculine or feminine gender, but they fall into common gender, which stands for both masculine and feminine gender. When I say I see a bird, until I mention I see a male bird, you cannot discriminate that whether the bird is male or female, right? It stands for both. I may saw it a male bird, I may saw it a female bird. Okay, so these are some words like student, cousin, teacher, bird, doctor. These all are some words which does not follow into masculine or feminine group, but they fall into the common gender group, which will both be female or be male. They will both at the same time. Okay, the next one is neuter gender. What is a neuter gender? Nouns that are names of non-living things and are neither masculine or feminine are called neuter gender. So neuter gender is very interesting. Neuter gender is non-living thing. Neuter gender is objects around us which does not have any male gender or female gender, which does not fall into masculine or feminine or common. It is nothing. It is not neither masculine nor feminine, even if it is not alive. It is not common yet. Okay, it is things, the object, the non-living things around us. Just like this book. Okay, I have this book. This book is neuter gender. This book is neuter gender, right? Why this is a neuter gender? Because the book does not fall into any masculine or feminine gender, right? You cannot discriminate the book if the book is male book or the book is female book, right? So it has it is not either male, neither male nor female, nor it is the common gender. Common means student, cousin, birds, which are living things, right? The student, cousin, they lives, they are man, they are human being. But the neuter gender are non-living things. They are neither human being, they are not birds, they are not animals, but they are only non-living objects. Just like table, house, car. Okay, table, house, car, apple, castle. Okay, paper, road, pen, monk. These all are neuter. I'm so sorry, monk is not a neuter gender, but you may say window, door, everything is neuter gender. Okay, so what is a neuter gender? Neuter gender are nouns that shows us what are non-living things. They are neither masculine nor feminine nor common, but they are non-living objects. They are objects which does not have any life. Okay, what are these? Book, pen, pencil, table, chair, all these are neuter gender. So we have four main genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine, you all know, male gender. Feminine is female gender. Common is a common gender that we cannot discriminate either as a male or female, just like, or can be used as both, like cousin, student, teacher, bird. And there is a neuter gender. Neuter gender is the non-living objects or the non-living things which does not have any life, just like house, table, car, etc. Here we have a chart, and here we have a chart which I will provide you as a worksheet. Okay, come to the next page. In page number 30, there is a chart, masculine or feminine gender. So you have to memorize this chart. Okay, so stepfather, stepmother, only the gender will be changed, and the other adding words will not be changed. Stepfather, stepmother, milkman, milkmaid. Okay, sometimes a noun is made up of two nouns. Study this table to understand the masculine and feminine genders. There are many nouns which are made of two words, which we have already discussed in our previous chapter. Stepfather, stepmother. Okay, so when we have to change it to the feminine gender, we have to change the main word only. Okay, stepfather, stepmother, milkman, milkmaid, salesman, saleswoman, landlord, landlady, manservant, maid servant, schoolmaster, schoolmistress, billy goat, nanny goat, grandfather, grandmother. These are kind of things which just the main word will be changed. You have to memorize it. There is no other way to do this grammatical gender works, but only you have to memorize the chart, memorize the things. Okay, so here we have another practice exercise. You must practice in your home and do it in your home. Okay, so remember that there are four main kinds of gender: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. And there are some gender which we have to change into the feminine gender only by turning or the changing the main word. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you have any problem regarding this chapter of noun gender, please contact me. I will make it clear to you all, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.